upang ito ay kanilang makamtan sa tulog ng iyong kapangyarihan para naging mo silang ligtas, kaluluwa at katawan. Gayon din, bigyan mo sila ng mabuting kalusugan upang sila ay maging handa.
Good morning, everyone. Our president will be coming in a few minutes. Our Vice Chancellor for Academics, Tonayon Diaro, our Vice Chancellor, Gio Wilson, CMS administrators, faculty, staff, our guest speakers, our CMS student council officers, to our dear alumni. We're going to take the board examination this coming August 2024. Welcome to our send-off ceremony. It's only 7 days and it will be over. Nakabahan ba kayo? Sure. The 3 years of academic preparation with the guidance of your excellent faculty, 1 year internship with the supervision of your clinical instructor, Seminar 1, Seminar 2, plus may pakilang MTAP 1, may MTAP 2, may seminaryo, and then come the formal review.
Medyo mahaba po ang ating message at motivational speech para sa ating mga board examination takers. Kaya ipapakita ko na lang po sa inyo ang pinakamahalagang parte ng ating motivational speech. 4 times ko na po itong ginawa at doon po sa mga naunang motivational speech natin, 3 beses din po tayong naging top performing school. Ito na po yung pang-4.
Our President Tony, Dean Rolly Reyes, Vice Dean Gio, administrators, faculty members, and staff. So, according to Dr. Rolly, yung top performing school, and at the same time, yung bonus natin na top students in the licensure exam. So, hintayin namin yun. Pero sabi nga ni Dr. Rolly, no pressure. But what we want is for you to pass the licensure exam this August of 2024.
Good morning. Alam ko, handa na po tayo. Hihintay na lang tayo ng araw. Sabi nga ni Rolly, bigay niyo na sa kanya yung di ba? We are very confident. That is why ang Rasal po does not do other extraordinary things to have our students, our graduates pass.
We look forward to celebrating your success and welcoming you as licensed professionals into the medical laboratory sector.
Our very own future medical technologist, good morning. So as the sun rises on this new day, marking the dawn of your board examination journey, remember that within you resides a reservoir of untapped potentials. So countless of hours of study and unwavering determination have prepared you for this pivotal moment.
So I know at this point of time, having 6 days, 13 hours, and 18 minutes left before the board exam, I know most of you are already stressed, overwhelmed.
Yeah, so share ko lang, no? Kasi you will be wearing Aaron Paul M. Reyes, RMT. That is going to be your round of applause.
The Medical Technologies Licensure Examination, perhaps the most awaited exam after spending years of studying. Not only will it test our knowledge, what we have learned, and what we applied during internship, but it is also a test of one's tenacity, mental, and last skills.
Our College Dean, Dr. Rolando Reyes, our College Vice Dean, 9 RTs, and of course, our future RTs harap natin ngayon. And to everyone here today, hello, hi, welcome, and have a great day.
Pressured moments and mentally and emotionally draining academic requirements that you persevered through to reach this moment.
Sige, so if wala nang problema, student council na lang. Professional Education Year Level 4, Dr. Maria Teresa Di Mateo, RME, ME, MBA.
For the journey of becoming professionals in the field of CMNS. Remember these words from Proverbs 16:3. Commit to the Lord whatever you do, and He will establish your plans. Just starts with a grateful heart first and committing everything to the Lord.
Generally accepted by the medical technology profession in the Philippines.
Generally accepted by the medical technology profession in the Philippines.
Guest speaker. She is a dedicated medical technologist who served the profession for more than 5 decades. She graduated with a Bachelor of Science in Medical Technology at the University of Santo Tomas. For women in Washington, D.C. When she came back to the Philippines, her professional career began as she was appointed as the section chief of the automated chemistry section of the Makati Medical Center. Member of the PRC Professional Regulatory Board of Medical Technology. She served from 2003 to 2022. After overseeing 37 licensure examinations performed.
Honorable Marilyn Cabalbarsa, Chairman of the Professional Regulatory Board of Medical Technology. Honorable Laila Lani Monserrat Lorento, Member of the PRB of Medical Technology. Director Ronald G. Watson, OIC of PRC NCR. Ms. Luella Bertuccio, President of the Philippine Association of Medical Technologies. Dr. Jurel Nuevo, President of PASMED. Officers of PASMED, distinguished deans, heads of schools. Be kind. Personalize your service and don't address your patients as bed numbers or room numbers. Interact with your patients with respect. Salamat po sa mga magulang. Palakpakan po natin ang mga magulang na magulang. Salamat po sa inyong pagtitiwala at pagsuporta sa inyong mga anak. Dahil po sa inyo, ang araw na ito ay nagkaroon ng katuparan. Especially to the top notchers, the cream of the crop, and also the top performing schools. May medical technology practice. Lead all of you RMTs to both professional success and personal fulfillment. And go forth and populate the world with your world-class abilities. God bless us all.
Regulatory Board of Medical Technology presents this flash of appreciation to Marian M. Talinco, RMT MT, former member, Professional Regulatory.
Congratulations to De La Salle Medical and Health Sciences Institute for having ranked 8th in the top performing schools in the August 2024 Medical Technologies Licensure Examination with a passing percentage of 90.8, 79 passed out of 87 examinees. Receiving the award is Vice Dean John P. Dimson and Dean Dr. Rolando M. Reyes.
Just academic achievements, maraming mga success. Halimbawa, yung maibalik ninyo sa inyong mga magulang iyong tarangalan.
Oo. Ako na, ma'am. Sumama ka na, ma'am. Ako na, ma'am. Yan na. 1, 2, 3. Dali ka na, ma'am. Ako na.
Kunyari drone.
Mild
Padril, labas kailan.
Padril.
Examination. Okay, so let me introduce myself. My name is Pamphilo Diaz, your faculty in the College of Medical Laboratory Science.
And my name is Sergino Berlas, also your faculty from the College of Medical Laboratory Science. Good morning to everyone. Dr. Frederick R. Llanera, MD, MSMD, RMT, FPSP, to give his welcoming remarks. Let us give him a warm round of applause.
Gathering today for the testimonial lunch for the August 2024 MD Board Passers. And this is a testament that we are doing the best that we can and that we have produced our graduates who are in the top, we are considered the top 8 of the national passing. It is really an achievement. Of course, Dr. Reyes was the lead at the time, and because of his leadership, we are at that status. So congratulations to the MD Board Passers, and I hope that you live up to the Lasalian mission and vision that we have inculcated you over the years that you have stayed with us. So good luck to your job. Congrats. Thank you.
Andy Legaspi, the Dean of College of Pharmacy. Let's give him a round of applause.
I'll be speaking in behalf of the Vice Chancellor for Academic Services, Dr. Naomi De Learo. Good morning to the administrators of the College of Medical Laboratory Science, led by its Dean, Dr. Frederick Llanera, and its former Dean, Dr. Orlando Reyes. Its faculty members, staff, guests, and most importantly, our newly minted board passers. Congratulations to the entire August cohort of the De La Salle Medical and Health Sciences Institute, College of Medical Laboratory Science, for your outstanding achievement in the August 2024 Medical Technology Board Examination. As I stand here, I feel a deep sense of pride in what you have accomplished. Ranking number 8 among schools nationwide with a remarkable passing rate of 97.40% for first-time takers and overall performance of 90.80% is a no small feat. Your hard work, perseverance, and dedication have brought you to this day, and each one of you is a testament of what determination can achieve.
Urges those students feeling excited to wear our toga as a graduate. We are just an inspiring board takers persevering as we will take the board exam or pushing me multiple times to take the boards whatever the results may be, because I know myself that the preparation was not enough.
To the administrators of DLS, MHSI, and CMLS, to our Dean and former Dean, Dr. Frederick Llanera and Dr. Orlando Reyes, our Vice Dean, Sir Gian P. Dixon, Level 4 Chair and Clinical Internship Coordinator, Dr. Maria Teresa Mateo, to all the faculties and staffs of CMLS, to all my co-RMPs, good morning.
When I think of it, God made a move in a different way. At least more people benefited, and the glory is still in our school. I always dream big, as if sky is the limit. I do always manifest. Although my manifestation didn't happen to what I wanted it to be, it's a win-win situation for me, since even if I'm not in the top 10 list, I am sure that I passed. I was very positive to the point that I didn't even think of myself failing the board exams. It might seem very aggressive.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to propose a toast for the successful Kasalian RMTs. Thank you very much for bringing back the prestige of being one of the top performing medical technology school in the Philippines during the last August 2024 MedTech licensure examination. Sir Vice Dean, Sir Gion and I were very happy and proud to receive the award three times last September 18 at the PICC because there were 3 sessions of all taping. Siguro kayo isang session ng in-attendan ninyo. Pero kami, Sir Gion, 3 times kami nag-receive na plaque from the PRC, Top Performing School and certificate. So, cheers! Congratulations, all of you.
And every educator by heart. With this, the CMSSC bids you a happy World Teachers Day.
Thank you.
To lead us with a mini acoustic set.
Medical Laboratory Science, VP, and the CMLS Student Council, we would like to warmly bring you a happy Teachers Day. Teach Minds Touch
Technology licensure examination has started. You may now finally check one of your bucket list #RM. Wala na sana ako. I know the D letters is one of the sweetest words one could ever hear. Your success is a living proof that all dreams do come true, that all hardships are being rewarded, and that all tears, breakdowns, and anxieties turns into unspeakable joy. So acing your board exam is only the beginning. You'll have to face a lot of challenges in your life. But don't be afraid to face it. This will bring out the best in you. Diamonds were made from the constant pressures and heat. And have a great day ahead.